With My Resource from Republic Services, you can access your account anytime, anywhere, and from any device. Sign up is easy. Simply log in with your email address, link your account, and begin viewing your account. With My Resource, you can easily pay your bills, request products and services, repair your container, and more. Did your container fill up faster than you planned? With one tap, you can schedule an additional pickup. Having trouble keeping up with your service dates? Receive proactive service and schedule alerts so you can stay informed wherever you are. Need to save time paying your bills? Sign up for our paperless billing and autopay to get more time back in your day. Help is always close by, too. With one click, you can rate your service or contact our support team. With 24/7 access to your account, My Resource gives you one simple tool to manage your recycling, waste, and account needs. Visit republicservices.com/account to sign up today.